tools that you'll need to replace a touchscreen on a Toyota Tundra. 5 screws, 1 in each corner and 1 located here. You have to push these tabs. There's 4 tabs to push on the sides. Open it gently. Lift tabs. Pull to remove. I'm going to do 5 more screws. And then 4 screws on top. You have to remove that little tab. This tab. This is how to replace the screen. Don't touch either side of the glass, and don't touch the face either. The face of the monitor. Lay it in place. It will only go in one way. Double-sided tape on the 2 long edges of the monitor, making sure it's only on the metal and not the monitor face. Make sure it's adhered. Clean the monitor of any fingerprints or dust. Remove the paper on the dual-sided tape. And as you place to secure, make sure tabs are in the correct place. Pull your wires out of the way. Secure. Replace screws. Make sure your tabs are in correct place.
The gold has to be face down.
Gold face down. Shiny part down. Black part facing up. And push tab over to secure.
Make sure they're straight. The ribbon cables are straight. If they're not straight, it might not work. They have lines showing you where they go.
Replace backing, 4 screws. Tabs will line it up so that it sits correctly. Put your clip back in place. Now you can put your 4 screws in. Now set the radio on the faceplate as so to get your cables in place.
Be careful with this one's easy. This one you gotta be careful.
Make sure it's in straight and correct, otherwise it will not work.
Do not force it down.
Do not force it. It will close naturally if it's incorrectly. As so. Place back clips in place. Should clip into place. 5 screws. 4, 1 on each corner and 1 offset. C&H car stereo. Four corners are in, and that's your offset. Complete.